You seen it right. Less than 5% of the people invest in the Indian stock market as compared to US and China. Only 3.7% of the people invest in the Indian stock market as compared to 12.7% in China and 55% in the US. So what are the reasons behind it? So there are 5 reasons. First is people think they have less money. Second is they think they don't have time and knowledge for that. Third is they have suffered losses in the past in the stock market. So they have a fear that if they invest again, they will again suffer losses. Fourth is many other instruments available in the market like silver, gold. So why to invest? And last is scams and depressions going on. Hi friends, I am Deepak Kanodia from Money Division. So let's get into the video. People think they have less money, so they don't invest in the stock market. It's not about less money or more money. It's about the strategies which you have to put into place and the mindset. Until unless you put the strategies and the mindset, you will not create wealth. So it's not about the less amount of money you have. It's about the strategies which you have to apply. When I was in my teens, I had only 20,000 rupees. I lost more money, but once I started applying my mindset and strategy into place, I have created wealth. Second is people think they don't have time and knowledge for that. Even I agree, the business people and the job people must be going into their jobs from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the business people must be doing their business, so they don't have time for that. So one can invest via mutual funds route. I'm not saying to invest directly, but indirectly you can invest in the stock markets via mutual fund. Study some mutual funds and invest into that, or take the help of a professional. Also, you can learn in the few time, you can learn the basics of the stock market so that you have a clear idea what's going into the market. Third is they have suffered losses into the past and they fear that they will again suffer the losses. I must say, you have suffered losses in the past, you must not have did some research, or you have invested with any tip from a friend or your boss, and you have taken and invested in the market and you have suffered loss, or you invested in the futures and options. Stock market is not a get quick rich market. You have to see and analyze how the stock is performing, how the company is performing, and then invest into the market. Keep aside some money, whatever salary or whatever you earn from your business. Keep aside some money and then invest into the market. Never leverage, never borrow money from anyone and invest in the market. So invest with proper analysis and research, and you will see your money grow. Fourth is there are many other instruments available in the stock market like gold, silver, PPF, recurring deposits, fixed deposits. So why to invest in the market? I agree, there are many other instruments available, but one must see the returns. These are very safe instruments, so you will get lesser returns. But if you want to compound your wealth, you have to invest in the stock market. Either you can invest directly or indirectly via the mutual funds route. You can see gold has given 100% return in the last 10 years, whereas Sensex has given 155% return in the last 10 years. And India is a growth story, so bank on it. And last is scams. I've seen many scams like Harsal Mehta scam, Ketan Parikh scam, Vijay Mallya scam, Satyam scam. So these scams will come and go. These are part and parcel of the economy. But it does not mean that you don't invest in the market. As SEBI had regulated many of these scams after these scams came into picture. After scams comes depression. People don't invest because they have seen the market crashes during the depression. Like in 2008, market fell around 60%, and in last year, in 2020, when the coronavirus epidemic happened, the market fell around 25%. So I would say this is the best time to invest in the market when there is a depression. So I would say depression is a lifetime opportunity. It comes around 7 to 8 years. Depression comes every 7 to 8 years. So one must keep some money aside to invest in these depression times. So it's actually the best time to invest, not be afraid of the depressions. Take it as an opportunity to invest. I would advise everyone to invest at least 20% of your savings or some portion of your hard-earned money to invest in the Indian stock market, either directly or indirectly. If you can do your research through yourself, well and good. Otherwise, invest through mutual funds or take the help of a professional. But do invest some portions of your savings in the market to compound your wealth for a long term. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel for more investing videos. And also be a part of our Facebook group and Telegram group given in the link below. So where you meet like-minded investors and you can share ideas with them. Thank you.